Hey guys, how are you doing? One of our users recently posted that he is unable to update to iOS 18.4, and when he tries to update on iPhone, to iOS 18.4 latest version that Apple released a few days before, all he sees is unable to verify update. iOS 18.4 is temporarily unavailable. Try again later. Either he can tap on the retry or remind me later, and whenever he presses on retry, the update taking some progress time, and then again he is seeing the same unable to verify update. So the problem is that the update is not yet fully downloaded and he's connected to Wi-Fi, because that is the basic thing, a troubleshooting step that normally I suggest. You need to connect to Wi-Fi and try it. If the 4G, LTE or 5G connectivity is not helping to do the download. So when it comes to the software update, to avoid any file corrupt issues, it is recommended to connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and do the download, the update, to prevent any such issues. So in this case, the troubleshooting steps that you can try is navigate inside the settings and then scroll down a little bit, go inside the general and then tap on the iPhone storage. And here, if you see any iOS related software update files already downloaded, you need to delete that file by navigating inside that particular file, and you can delete the iOS software update or any file downloads that have happened earlier. So in my case, like I have already updated to the latest beta version, so I'm not seeing it. But if you are seeing any such iOS software update already downloaded partially, then you need to delete it and then restart your iPhone once and come back to settings, general, software update, and then try to update your iPhone. This mostly in 99% helps to fix the problem, and only if still you are seeing unable to verify update, iOS 18.4 is temporarily unavailable, then do an all settings reset and then check for the update. Navigate inside the settings, general, then transfer or reset iPhone, reset, and then perform the reset all settings. This will also help you to fix any software related bugs that is causing the preventing iPhone to download the latest iOS 18.4 latest update. And the one more important step, as a third troubleshooting step you can do, is within the settings general page, scroll down to the last and click on the VPN and device management. And if you have any VPN installed or any MDM profile installed, if the phone or iPad is provided by your company and they have any MDM profile installed, it is possible for them to prevent you, block you from updating to the latest software without their acknowledgement. For any software or company related applications and organization applications related compatibility, they restrict each and every software update or app update from their server level. So if it is a company or organization provided iPhone or iPad, remember this, that the VPN and device management will have such profile installed and you cannot do anything about it. Inform it to the IT team, the technical team of your company, and they will make a further modification, or they will decide that the latest iOS software is not causing any issue with their official company applications. Then they will allow you to do the update after you notify that you want to update to the latest version. So get a permission from them and then you can fix this problem. That is the only way to do it. You cannot bypass and install the latest iOS 18.4 in such cases. And as a fourth last troubleshooting step, if that is not the case, you don't have a VPN device management profile and you have tried all the three troubleshooting steps, all you need to do is connect your iPhone to your computer and then do this iOS 18.4 update from your iTunes or Apple devices application if you're using Windows computer. If you're using Mac, then you can use the Finder app to navigate to your iPhone summary page, and then you can do the update directly downloading all the necessary files from the Apple server and pushing it to your iPhone. So this is the best way to fix unable to verify update iOS 18.4 is temporarily unavailable error on your iPhone or iPad. I hope these troubleshooting steps, one of them helped you to fix it. Thank you so much for watching, and for more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.